exhilarating, to say the least, because you're like, oh my gosh, I did that part. And there's like a news person looking at it. Holy cow.
There's a brand new massive evolution with story. And that evolution is from being voyeur, we are now becoming the protagonist and the center of the story.
The Great Experiment is a virtual reality experience set in the Constitutional Convention of 1787, and particularly the debates on that important question of how to select the chief executive of a republic.
What would happen if we could tell history in an immersive way by surrounding you with these moments and these places? Supplement, not replace, what we now do for teaching history, like textbooks, documentaries, and other things.
We've got historians, we've got actors, we've got sound engineers, we've got people who specialize in wildly different things than my own. That teaches you the one thing that all of those classes don't, how to communicate your ideas and what you're trying to do to people who aren't your major, who don't know that side of the equation. It's really, really wonderful to work together like that.
What we're talking about here and what we're discussing is getting something like this, something like a virtual reality software, peer-reviewed to be published as a scholarly piece of work. Happy to say that those came back with flying colors, and now the Great Experiment is to be published in association with the University of Virginia Press. So the Great Experiment is available in multiple ways. One can get it by coming to our turf, coming to Shenandoah University, and trying it here. We'll provide the equipment and the support. And it's available publicly for free on our website, scu.edu/TGE.